Hey, rich friends, it's your girl Cha Cha reporting live from the Money Mantra, and we are back with another Forex education video. I created my channel to help as many people as possible become independent and profitable traders. So, if that's something that you've been looking to do, you are in the right place at the right time. I do want to give a warm welcome or welcome back to all of my viewers. If you are new here, I do want you guys to take some time to explore the content. Most of my videos are 5 to 15 minutes, and you can really get a good grasp on basic fundamental trading concepts like market structure, candlesticks, and entry points. So take a look at the playlist, and I'm pretty sure you'll find something that's going to help you, or you can learn something new today. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I do appreciate you guys for all of the love that you have been showing on this channel, especially with the gold videos. Now, I have been trading currencies for about 4 years, but I recently started trading gold more, and I really like it. So, as I learn more things and get more results, I'm so happy to be sharing that with y'all as well. So, if you have been enjoying the gold breakdowns and the gold strategy videos, just go ahead and comment gold down below so that I know that you are really tapped in. Now, if you'd like to connect with me outside of YouTube, you can follow me on Threads and register for personal mentorship if you need a mentor and you'd like to interact and learn from me directly. All the information is down below in the description box, and if you have any additional questions, you can leave them down below. Now, in today's quick video, we are going to be talking about how I was able to scalp this gold trade and secure $166 in less than an hour. So I'm going to go ahead and head over to TradingView and show you guys my thought process when I entered this trade, what was the time frame, and we can see that it played out in profit. But I'm going to let you know how I got these TPs and what I did in this trade. So if you are new here, I have been a mentor to people, teaching people all around the world how to trade through my personal mentorship program and through my live classes every Sunday. Now, I've been teaching at least once or twice a week for a couple of years now. And when I first started teaching, I was doing live trading, but it was a different style of trading and it wasn't Forex, it wasn't gold. But I am getting back into live trading gold because as you'll see from this video, you can make your profit in a short amount of time. There are different styles of trading. There's scalping, which is the example we're going to go over in this video. It means that you are able to get in and out of the market by capitalizing on short market moves. And then there's swing trading. A lot of my other videos when I'm trading currencies, I'm usually swing trading, which means that I am staying in my trades for a couple of days and the profit is not always so instantaneous, but it's super worth it. And it helps you practice patience, which is something that you need to be a trader anyway. So on Sunday's class, which was November 24th, 2024, we were looking at gold. Now, my classes are usually from 6 p.m. to a little after 7 or 7:30 on Sundays. So we were in the market around this time. Now, what I did notice was that the market had hit a high here and then there was a huge rejection. Now, since this candle, the market actually hadn't reached that high again. So this was the swing high for the 5-minute time frame. Now, usually when you see the market hits a high, this is known as an area of resistance. And if it doesn't reach that point anymore, there's a high likelihood that the market is going to go down. So if you happen to be scalping or swing trading and you see that the market starts to reject at the top, you want to position yourselves to get in for sells. But you don't just want to jump right into the sell. You want to have other confirmations that let you know the market is no longer going up. So the first thing you want to notice is the area of resistance or rejections at the top. And this is typically denoted by, you'll see wicks. Right? You see wicks at the top, the market is resisting going any higher. And if you see wicks at the bottom, the market is resisting going any lower. So I had my first confirmation. Now, I've been teaching this break of structure strategy for a couple of years now, and it's exactly what it sounds like. It's pretty simple. Now, the market usually has some type of structure. It will be going down sometimes, and it'll be going up sometimes, and it'll be going down sometimes. But one cool thing about trading is that the market typically revisits the same area multiple times. So you'll have a good idea of when you should get in your trades and when you should get out of your trades. So since we saw that the market had a high here in the last 5 minutes, and then we saw that the market had a low here in the last 5 minutes, all we would need to do is wait for the next candle, right, which should only take 5 minutes since this is the 5 minute time frame, to close below this candle. That would confirm that the market is no longer trying to reach this high and that it actually does want to go down and revisit previous places where there was resistance going down. So we just had to wait for the next candle. And if it was a sell candle, we were going to enter for a sell and we were going to take profit at previous areas of support. Areas of resistance are where you get rejections at the top and the market sells. Areas of support are where you get support at the bottom and the market goes up. So I'm going to go ahead and press play. And we can see that the very next candle was a red candle and it closed below the previous candle, letting us know that the market did want to go down and retest some previous areas before it was going to go up. And not only that, the only indicator that I like to keep on my chart these days is the stochastic. And the stochastic helps me confirm my entry points as well. Now you can go and watch my other quick videos on the stochastic, but I'll explain quickly how I use this to confirm a trade for a buy or a sell. So you'll notice that when the stochastic is facing down, when the orange line is on top of the blue line, and when one or both of these lines has crossed below the top line or the middle line or the bottom line, the market is usually going for a sell versus when the stochastic is facing up, when the blue line is above the orange line, and when one or both of these lines have crossed above the bottom line, the middle line, or the top line, and we have an uptrend here. So I saw that I had my selling confirmations on the stochastic. I also had my break of structure. I also had my rejection at the top. So we entered this trade for a sell using previous lows as TPs. That's all you want to do is target these previous lows. So we had TP1 at about 2715. That was 200 pips. And then we had an additional TP at 2711, which was an additional 400 pips. So about 600 pips total. So we're going to go ahead and hit play. Let's put another line here. So as the market continues to fall, you can see that all we did was target previous lows. And here we go. Oh, and for your stop loss, you just want to use the previous high. Okay, so we see that TP1 was hit, and we see that TP2 was hit as well. Now I want you guys to just watch and see how all of those previous lows were hit, and all we did was check for a few confirmations at the beginning. So let's see how long this took. It took about 40 minutes, right? 40 minutes for about, let's start from this candle because it was from here. Okay, 40 minutes for about 762 pips, which is not a lot. And you guys saw the results. It was about $166 in 40 minutes. And all we did was look for those simple confirmations. So this market actually continued to sell for a while. And I'll just put these horizontal lines at previous lows. And you can see that these were, in fact, the areas that were targeted as the market sold. So if this video was helpful and you have a better understanding of how you can use market structure and support and resistance to find entry points, just go ahead and drop a 7 in the chat. And if it was extremely helpful, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you can see my other trade breakdown videos and different types of content that I make to help you guys become better traders. Again, if you do want to reach out to me for personal mentorship, you can register. The information is down below in my description box. I am closing my mentorship in 2025, so better late than never. You guys have until December 31st, 2024. But that's really all I have for you guys today. Until next time, rich friends.